Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can reset your Bolt audio airbase. So let's do reset. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. You can see here it is connected and it has battery 100%, and you can see in case you will not get reset button in this, you can see there is no reset button. So how you can do, friends, you can see, so here it is touch control at both of the earbuds. You have to just long press for 5 to 10 seconds like this, and you can see now it is connected and now it is unpaired successfully. And this is how you can reset it by clicking on long press on this. And friends, then you have to turn on this to pair this, and it will blink the light when it's turned on. Friends, you can see it is now blinking. Then you have to click on Bluetooth and you can see it is automatically connected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.